Okay, what I'm going to do here is test this motor and see if it functions like it should. The way I'm going to do this, since I don't have 24 volts DC to operate this, I do however have a DC motor that is also 24 volts. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the shaft into the drill and kind of use this as a generator, generating DC voltage to this motor, and see if this motor will push this mirror out on its own without any trouble. Alright, I wanted to make sure that this was actually going to spin when I put this on it, because I noticed that maybe it was jammed when I first tried it. So let's see. As you can see, it does spin, so this motor does work. Alright, it also works in reverse as well. So now that I know that this motor does work, I'll go ahead and put it back on. Alright, here we go. Alright. Obviously it's not going to give it a full 24 volts just by going from one 24 volt motor to the other, but it should at least do something. So let me see if there's something in here that is actually spinning, because I already tested the motor and obviously it works on its own. And then this motor does have some torque, you know, when I try to stop it by hand. So, I mean, if anything, it should move at least a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, my dog sighed, I know. Don't worry, Lizzie, I'm not a complete failure just yet. If I can't get this thing going, then I guess I'll sit over there with you and sigh along with you. Ah, the fucking drill backed up. No wonder. Okay. That could be a reason why it's not working. The chuck backed off. Yeah, as soon as I pull it out, it starts moving. So apparently there's something jammed. But then I'm also thinking that maybe that little BB or bearing, whatever it is probably what kept this thing going, I guess. Aha, that's where it is. This, the end of the shaft is embedded. Okay. The end of the shaft was embedded. But I did to save the little ball bearing just in case. Watch, this little ball bearing will be the main thing that kept this thing from doing anything. Alright, I got it right at the end of the shaft, because it actually feels like it belongs there. Alright. Put these manager windings back in. They went in kind of fast, hoping to knock it. Okay, it's still there. Alright, hope it won't pull it too far. Shit. That's the thing. This little ball bearing. One little thing, man. If it doesn't go in right the first time, it ain't gonna go in at all. And make sure my bearing, sleeve bearing is center. Alright, let's. The reason I'm holding this in, because this holds the brushes in these holders. So, real carefully. Damn, that fucking bead came out again. God damn it. Shit. I got an idea. Let's see if I can find a way to drop that bead in first. That way I ain't gotta worry about it falling out and sticking to anything. Those pliers, so I'm just good. God damn it, you fucking. Yeah, these field magnets. Ah, shit! It magnetized my needle nose pliers, so the ball bearing couldn't fall down into the bearing where I wanted it. These are some strong field magnets. Alright. Try a little trick. Put some grease on the end of it. Hoping that it will stick inside the end of the shaft. That way when I put this in, it will not stick to the side of the field magnet. Alright, real carefully. Bitch! Come on, get in there, will you? I think it's in. It's not in. Something's telling me that it doesn't. Oh, there it is. There it is. Finally got it. Alright. Good. Alright, now let's test our motor, make sure it's going to work. Okay. Now, okay, this goes the other way. So I want to carefully turn it without knocking the brushes out. Ah! Oh, okay, good. As you can see, I make a lot of noise when things become a little bit of a pain in the ass. I didn't want to edit that out. I figured you'd get a kick on how I sound when I get a little aggravated when I'm trying to get things to go on my way. Alright, now let's, where the holes are, it's supposed to sit in it like this. Ow! God damn! That's That sound was because I pinched my finger. Okay. Yeah. That sounds because I pinched my finger. Alright. Now let's see if that ball bearing did any good. No, it did not. Is that thing even spinning in there? I just want to make sure, because I'm just that curious. Okay. It's spinning. Alright. Now let's see why it won't turn anything. Son of a bitch. Damn. Will you come out? Maybe I don't have to. Fuck. Let me see something. Alright. Let's try it again. Okay, the motor is turning in there. I can see the shaft spinning. So let's see why it's not catching anything. Unless this switch engages the clutch somehow. But the good news is, the motor does work. To wiggle the motor back and forth to make sure that I got it on completely straight. Yeah, the TV's unplugged, otherwise these things would be shocking the fuck out of me right now if it was plugged in. Alright. Make sure it's still spinning freely in there. Okay. So, just gotta figure out what engages the clutch. If I can get this wheel out, let me see if I can without fucking up anything. You think it was gonna be easy? Do you really think it was gonna be that fucking easy? Alright. Let me see if I can try to take this thing apart. Apparently there is a lock nut on the other end, so it's kind of a pain in the ass to unscrew this regular screw. But it's getting there. Well, the nut fell like I actually heard it drop. Not mine, you know, but damn near close to mine. Alright. That came out. Now why won't this move? Okay. Alright. Now I got the back off. Just want to try to get this wheel off as slow and careful as possible. Alright. Almost there. I do not want to break this motherfucker. I just want to try to get it to come off. Almost there. Come on. How long is this damn thing? I don't even see it. Okay. Keep losing my gripper to my wing here. Damn! Good one, Adams. Alright. Let me try real slow on this end. It's not giving it to me. Let me try here again. I mean, I had to put this bitch in here. I mean, it's gotta come out some fucking way. Evidently that nut didn't do shit, because that screw's still in there. Alright. Let's continue. I think we're probably going to need 2 screwdrivers. Kind of work it from both ends. Jump rocket. Hopefully it'll give soon. Come on. There we go. Ah. Wonder why it was so hard to come off. Alright, now let's see what's wrong with this picture right here. Let me see if it even... all just slides off like so. Okay. Ah! Well, the clutch is not going to work if it's slipping like this. Yep, that's the problem. No? Wait, that can't be broken. You sure? Yeah, it's broken. Judging by the way it looks, it's definitely broken. Yeah. I had to use some JB Weld for this. This is supposed to be connected. As you can see, it just broke on all sections right there. This is some kind of clutch, as you can see it, because this goes in here And that pin in there engages in that drive shaft to turn this, so this is definitely a clutch of some sort. Yep, it's definitely a clutch. So what I'm going to have to do is clean this up and use some JB Weld and put this back together. But yeah, that's why it wouldn't come out. Well, also I'm going to reinforce these because I noticed that they got some cracks in the plastic right in here. Yeah, on all four sides of it. And there's also some cracks where the where this pin is on the inside. So that will eventually, you know, spread from here all the way to here and make this whole gear right here split in half. So, but yeah, it's good that I'm definitely coming across these now. But that's what's the matter with it. Broken clutch. Obviously it's going to be a pain in the ass to find a new one, so I know not even the internet's going to have this. So I'm going to have to fabricate a new one. Just by cleaning it up and just JB welding it together.